Meaning of downsize.
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 Downsize. Downsize means to reduce the size or scale of something, typically a company or organization, by cutting costs or eliminating jobs. The result of downsizing is often a smaller, leaner operation that is more efficient and cost-effective. However, downsizing can also have negative consequences, such as reduced morale, loss of institutional knowledge and experience, and decreased productivity. It is a strategy that should be implemented thoughtfully and with consideration for the impact it may have on individuals and the organization as a whole.